we in a giving it up. Well, give it up for me, you guys. I just lost 18 pounds. 18 pounds. Look at your boy. Look at him. One more rotation. Here it come. You better live that shit up. Shit. Last time LOL put me on TV, I was like, who the fuck is that fat ass dude? Shit was terrible. 18 pounds. Now, here's the problem. I'm losing weight, but people are starting to compliment me, and the compliments feel like they talking shit. And I don't like how it feels. They keep coming up to me, hey, man, look at you. You looking good. You got your chin back? I was, what the fuck you mean I got, where did my chin go, you bitch? Look at you doing your thing. We didn't think, man, I was like, how bad was the shit? We didn't think you was gonna make it. I was gonna fucking let me die? It's hard losing weight, man. I'm trying to get in shape. This shit is difficult. You know why? I do stupid shit. I'm a Monday dieter. Anybody a Monday dieter? Just me? Just three of us? All right. I'm a Monday dieter. I'm the only person you'd be like, this Monday, I'm getting in shape. No, this Monday, I'm serious about this shit. I'm gonna lose this goddamn weight. I'm gonna lose, this Monday, I'm starting my diet. I'm only gonna eat kale and arugula. I'm gonna have one raisin for dinner, lemonade with hot sauce in it. I'm gonna lose this weight. Cocaine, whatever it takes, I'm gonna lose this weight. Monday comes around, you do good. You done started your diet. Look at you, slimming up. You proud of yourself. Tuesday, you in the gym doing cardio. Look at you. Wednesday, you didn't watch What the Health, you a vegan now. You start telling people how to eat. Yeah, you know the processed meat, that's where you're fucking up at. Thursday come around, you didn't got cocky, you start telling people how to lose weight. Yeah, you know the bread, that's where you're fucking up at. Friday come around, it's somebody's birthday at work. They come in with the cupcakes. You don't even see the cupcakes, you smell them first. The fuck is that? He's like, no, your best friend at work, don't do it. Well, don't do what? Don't eat the cupcakes. Fuck that, I'm finna have 7 cupcakes. But what about your diet? Fuck that diet, I'm finna have 9 cupcakes. I thought you said 7. I'm finna have a dozen cupcakes, and the shit's gonna be delicious. Never gonna lose this weight, man. I be doing stupid. You ever eat off your own chest? You ain't never been on your way home, you did good on your diet all day. You passed a drive-through you didn't know was open. You're like, well, if it's open, the Lord wants me to have that. You go home, you lay in your bed, you prop your head up with your pillows, you put 40 nuggets on your chest, and then you put the sauces on your stomach, and you get to dipping the nuggets off your own body. I'm the only person to do this shit. You go barbecue buffalo honey mustard, that's pretty good right there. Honey mustard Polynesian ranch, oh my God. What are y'all, HP sauce? Yummy, this is so delicious. Ranch, 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 ranch again. Ranch, ranch, ranch is always fucking delicious. That shit is real, man. And people look at me like, oh, that shit ain't that bad. This is the worst shape to be in. You hear me? If you skinny, ain't shit you can do about it. Everybody got somebody skinny in your life. Your cousin Boney Tony, Slim Jim. Come over your house, eat more than everybody, 2-3 plates, be drinking grease. And shots of gravy to the face. He won't gain no weight. If you big, you get all the cool big people shit. You can fight. It's always a job for security waiting on your ass. Every big dude I know can fight, sing, cook, or play the drums. All of them. Never met a big dude who couldn't play the drums. This is Call of Duty body. That's what this is for. Call of Duty, video games, Madden, that's what this is good for. 30 months of focus, I be fucking there. You know what I want? I want this shit right here. Yeah, lady, yeah. You see what I'm there. Don't look away. Look at me, ma'am. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, the little crotch cleavage, that's what I want. The little Magic Mike, that's what the little how does it feel? The little Magic Mike shit. I don't want 2, I want 1 of them shits. If I get 1 of them, cutting all the pockets out my jeans. No more fucking pockets. I want to get in shape, man. I want to get in shape so I can do sexy shit. I want to be able to take off my shirt with my thumbs and elbows. Y'all got to start fucking paying attention, you guys. All my friends are in good shape. We be hanging out, be like, hey, man, can you pass the ball? You know what, you're right. Let me take off my shirt first. See that? When you in good shape, this is how you take off your shirt. Look at my thumbs. Look at my elbows. See, you go abs first. Look at that. Bow. If you're real sexy, you cross your shit like this. You squirm up out the shirt. You salamander out of the shirt. You Shakira, hips don't lie out of the shirt. When your body's the bullshit, when you're built like me, you put a shirt over your back. You cover your face first. Gotta get in shape, man. You can't talk to nobody. Dudes don't know how to get in shape. They'll have you taking all the pills in GNC. Take this, man, then you get your abs. I'm like, yeah, but my heart, motherfucker. Shit'll change right under your nose, man. Weed's almost legal. That shit's interesting as hell. Yeah, weed smokers. I like joints, but the vape is really my shit. The only thing about the vape is if you ain't never seen it before, the shit's awkward. Because it's a lot of smoke. When you hit a little joint, it's a little bit of smoke. When you hit a vape, it's a billow. People turn into full dragons when they hit that shit. Somebody hit it behind me, the smoke starts circling around me. I'm like, is somebody casting a spell on me? The fuck is all this smoke coming from? It was so much smoke, I was like, is the Undertaker coming to the ring? LOL, you guys are beautiful. Follow me on everything, BT Kingsley.